Meaning of familiarization.
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 Familiarization. Familiarization refers to the act of becoming familiar with something or someone. This process involves learning about the characteristics, features, and qualities of the entity in question. The result of familiarization is an increased level of understanding and comfort with the thing or person being studied. By gaining knowledge and experience through the process of familiarization, individuals are better equipped to interact with their surroundings and make informed decisions. Ultimately, familiarization allows for a deeper level of engagement and connection with the world around us.